In this aid, we will voice our own and showcases assessment on Nexo future while examining Nexo cost estimate for 2022 and past in an unobtrusive manner amazingly. If it's not too much trouble, generally remember that you want to believe this and any truly other expectation tentatively, since foreseeing anything basically really is a difficult undertaking, especially not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like Nexo, which truly is genuinely huge, or so they thought. Presently, gives head access to it, which in a real sense basically is genuinely huge, which is genuinely critical. Before we dig truly profound into the Nexo value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that Nexo really is a by and large wise venture or not. For what reason will Nexo explicitly most certainly succeed or truly come up short, or for what reason will Nexo value rise or drop? Let's rapidly in a real sense toss a look at what especially is Nexo and its to-date history, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking in an unpretentious way. What all things considered, fundamentally is Nexo, which explicitly is genuinely critical amazingly. Nexo basically is a by and large remarkable loaning stage that permits you to procure revenue on certainly your cryptographic money interests in an unpretentious manner. As a matter of fact, loan costs fundamentally most certainly fluctuate by dispersion strategy and coin. Yet you can basically hope to especially procure somewhere in the range of 6% and 12% APR, which is genuinely critical. Nexo is situated in Switzerland, which basically makes it for the most part less defenseless against expanding US, which is very huge, guideline of crypto loaning stages. Nexo likewise permits you to sort of take out credits in light of how much digital currency and beautiful your record without selling your coins and repurchasing them in a very large manner. Financing costs for credits in every practical sense start at 5.90% APR in an especially large manner, which explicitly is very critical. However, you can't as of now certainly purchase or especially sell digital currencies through the Nexo state. The crypto investment account supplier really offers a high return strategy for financial backers to bring in cash on inactive coins and fiat in an every practical sense significant way. Essentially, what does the Nexo really token most certainly do in an unpretentious manner in an unobtrusive way? Nexo for the most part fundamentally was made during the ICO and disseminated to the group and essentially early adopters in a genuinely enormous manner in an unobtrusive way. The firm offers up to 30% of its benefits with Nexo holders, which explicitly by and large is very critical. The Nexo really token supports the credit and store biological system. Holding the truly token qualifies purchasers for a 30% portion of organization benefits, similar to a profit, which certainly is very huge in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo claims it has paid more than $9 million to token holders beginning around 2018, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The actually truly token likewise by and large essentially has in every practical sense, all things considered, scarcely any advantages for cryptographic money premium record clients, which quite is genuinely huge. In the case of holding Nexo, clients can, one in a significant way, procure an extra 2% APY on their stores, bringing stablecoins up to 12% and really other digital currencies to 8% in a genuinely significant manner. 2. In an unobtrusive manner, which is very critical, get 5.9% for Nexo's moment crypto credit lines in an essentially huge manner. Other digital currency premium record stages entirely have comparable tokens. Celsius especially has Cell, Crypto.com explicitly has Crow, which basically is very huge, which explicitly is very critical. They in every practical sense appear to for the most part be a way to more and boost essentially early adopters to utilize the stage and generally explicitly hold the truly token in a huge manner in an unpretentious way. Nexo value expectation for the very truly next 90 days in a decently genuinely large manner in an unpretentious manner. The by and large certainly entire crypto world truly is on an edge of an undeniable especially fundamentally bear market, exhibiting that financing costs in a real sense fluctuate by dispersion strategy and coin. Yet you can for the most part hope to for the most part procure somewhere in the range of 6% and 12% APR, which basically is very critical. Bitcoin generally explicitly has basically really drooped half from its unsurpassed high in the midst of the more extensive market in every practical sense. Drops affected by seething expansion and US took care of rate expansions in an unobtrusive manner. Financial backers in a real sense for the most part are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional essentially steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous basically play and subsequently the auction in a significant manner in opposition to mainstream thinking. Our algo still sees a some really green in 2022, particularly in the especially second piece of the year in a significant manner. This fundamentally is reflected in our 2022 expectations, or so they thought. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a sort of lovely nearby base before we can move the other way and essentially alter the course, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will fundamentally essentially begin to do likewise. We generally especially have seen this situation many times in the separated and most certainly by and large later history in an essentially in every practical sense, significant way. Our cost expectation model basically explicitly is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2 in an unpretentious manner, which especially is very huge. We explicitly expect whales and really other genuinely greater players in the market to especially truly wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike in an extremely enormous manner. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and key evaluation of each undertaking in an especially huge manner. Essentials that we in every practical sense, by and large assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical truly potential, and a few truly other certainly exclusive variables created in our crypto lab, or so they in a real sense thought, which in a real sense is very critical. 2022 1110 plus 2.67% $1042022 1111 or so they by and large fundamentally thought. 2.78% $0 9815 2022 1112 by and large especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. 5.54% $0 9537 2022 1113 which in every practical sense sort of is very critical in an unpretentious manner. 1.99% $0 9895 2022 1114 really in spite of mainstream thinking. 2.56% $0 9838 2022 1115 in a lovely kind of large manner. 5.05% $0 9586 2022 1116 which most certainly is genuinely critical. 7.31% $0 9358 2022 1117 3.99% $0 9693 2022 1118 in an especially significant manner. 0.75% $100 2022 1119 in a quite significant manner in an especially enormous manner. 1.07% $0 9988 2022 1120 in an unobtrusive manner. 8.79% 92 cents Nexo value expectation 2022 in a sort of significant manner. Our expectation model sees an impermanent change to a bear market toward the start of 2022 proceeding. We move on to one more advantage in Q3 and Q4 of 2022 incredibly. 2022 NAV in an unobtrusive manner, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. 11.34% $0 89